Melanie, where is she? Go get her, go get her. Go get her, hurry up. She's part of this video. We gotta show something that's wrong with her. It's an important thing. We need to know, let them know what's wrong with my sister. Can't believe this is happening. Come here. You gotta do it. Something's wrong with her face.
Y'all come in, please. Now.
She's deformed.
Now.
How? We gotta go eat dinner. So say goodbye to my deformed sister.
You know what? I'm not gonna say it again.